In today's short and simple tutorial video, I am going to show you how you can check your Facebook account password on your phone. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. In order to see your Facebook account password, you need to go to the Gmail account that is linked with your Facebook account. So open Gmail. At the top right corner of your screens, you will see your profiles icon. So click on it. Then click on this Google account option. Then go to security. Scroll down. And here you will see this option password manager. So click on it. Click on this settings icon below your profile picture. And click on this export passwords option. Click on export. Select the folder where you want to export your passwords and click on save. And that's it. Now what you need to do is to go to your file manager and search for the file that you just downloaded. Open it. And below this passwords tab in front of Facebook, you will see your Facebook account's password. So that was it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.